Hello and welcome back. I hope you are having a lovely day or evening or whatever it is, wherever you are. As you can guess by the title, this is a new thing I'm doing. It's called Extra Bits and Extra Tips. And it's going to be where I'm going to be showing you little bits and pieces in a short video, giving you some tips or hints or just extra bits. So enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to see any tips or if you want to see any bits. And leave a comment on what you think of this video. Anyway, here it is. In today's video, if you haven't guessed by the title, I will be making tracks. But making tracks in clay using this special little tool that I've made, and I will be showing you how to make this special little tool. So this is the video plan at the moment, is a little demonstration of what I did once I've made the little special tool. I'll also be using some other little tools to make tracks. So here we go. Okay, I thought I'd just record this. I'm making some of these up, some old spare track links, that I've got laying around. This one's actually for a warrior. So you just leftover track links really, and this is for making tracks when you're making dioramas and so on. So I'm just making one here of the Challenger 1, not the Challenger 2. I know I've got a Challenger 2 sitting there. Yeah, so basically you get some old bottle lids. Bit of super glue. And there you go. What I should try and do is see if I can mould these in some sort of way. But then now I've put the video out there so anybody can make these. But I suppose I could get someone to make a mould of that. But there you go. So because I've got this leftover metal track, that's nice and easy to clean now as well. That feels nice and solid as well, so you can really push hard into whatever you're using. I first use clay. So there you go. So you can get a nice track. Okay, so now I'm going to start laying down some tracks. So these are some old Challenger tanks, Challenger 1 tracks. I'm just going to be rolling these randomly. Now some warrior tracks. basically just giving the impression that this is really muddy ground and a lot of vehicles have driven over it. So putting all the bits back on again. This rig that I created from some old spare track links I had from that, from the Warrior, from the 432 itself. And using these modern boot prints. So I'm going to carry on repeating this process as the clay dries. Making sure the ground is completely covered. I'm going to clean up the edges again, but I can do that as the clay dries as well. So that pretty much brings us to the end. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Please join me next time. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Your feedback is much appreciated. Bye.